What time is it?
What'd you think of that one, Kenzie?
Oh, Deborah.
Oh, gosh. Put on that. All right.
Universal.
So this morning we haven't really vlogged a whole lot.
Hello, folks.
We're doing a Universal day, and we went into Universal Studios. And what did we go on?
Let's see. We started off with Escape from Gringotts.
Yeah. But that was the one we were thinking of that hangs.
Yeah, we kept thinking there was a roller coaster or something we've been on that hangs you. And that's the one.
Yeah, it's cool.
It's a good ride.
Really good. And then we did Men in Black, Alien Attack.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Which, again, like we couldn't remember it, but it was fun.
Yeah,
I won.
It was better than I remembered it. I think the first time we rode it, we had to really wait on a long line. This time it was pretty much a walk-on, except for the pre-shows.
Yeah.
That was good.
Yeah,
I had to kick my butt.
I had like 103,000 or something.
Yeah, I had like 50. She found an alien that was disguised as a parking meter.
Yeah.
And it gave her like 40,000 points or something.
So I won. And then we did The Simpsons. We did The Simpsons,
yep,
which was great. And then
E.T.
So now
we're headed to a volcano.
Yeah, so we got a 3-day, 3-park hopper. So it's starting to warm up.
Yeah.
Gonna go over to Volcano Bay, get our tapu.
Oh, right.
Learn how that works.
Tapu.
Maybe try to use the GoPro to film a little bit of water stuff. Never used it underwater, so we'll see. And yeah, spend probably a good 4 to 5 hours over there.
Did we?
We are going to.
Oh, we're going to. Yeah.
There's a shuttle that picks us up right out front where the buses go.
Yeah, right where our Lyft driver drops us off.
And it leaves every 15 minutes or so. It's free, I guess, or part of your ticket.
Yeah.
To go from here over to Volcano Bay. So I'm super excited. Yeah, tonight we are eating at Artist Point, which is at the Wilderness Lodge. So we're really looking forward to that. Yeah, not very many people leaving yet because it's still so early in the morning. We're hoping the water park isn't so busy today. It's not.
This park wasn't busy at all.
No.
I mean, Gringotts was what?
20 minutes maybe?
Yeah, I mean, I don't even think it was all show parts.
Yeah.
We were right in.
Simpsons was 10 minutes, E.T. was 5 minutes, Men in Black was 5 minutes. So.
That was nice. That's the way I like to do parks.
And it's not supposed to get super hot today, but up to like 72, 73. So I'm hoping the water park isn't super crowded, and it's a Monday.
The moving walkway exit is approaching.
Headed to the brand new Volcano Bay, opened in May, right?
Yeah.
Gonna have a nice, enjoyable day, eat some food, probably have a beverage or two.
Relax on a lounger chair.
We're not gonna rent any though, right? Are we?
Nah, I figured it probably won't be that busy that we would need to do that.
There's no line for the bus, so that's good.
Yeah.
Although, I don't know how many people would actually be here already and leaving.
Right. Volcano Bay! Is it that same driver we saw this morning? I think it is. So that's the Aventura Hotel that says it's opening summer of 2018. Yeah, it is.
Kind of seen it good, kind of weird.
Yeah. Go in right here? All right. Oh, right. Okay.
This is it.
We're here. Look at these little shelf lights. These are cute.
I guess I should use the ticket for
Tapu, 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 tapu.
Sorry, I carried away.
I'll find Volcano Bay.
Walkway to Volcano.
I think that's for like wheelchairs.
Gotcha. Ooh, look how new everything is.
It's nice.
So nice. No one around us. I can't see any other person.
It's nice. I hope it's like that in there. I don't want no people around me.
I'm gonna have a drink first, maybe. Just kind of walk around, film a little bit.
Okay.
What do you think?
Sure.
I was like, son, watch your feet. It's the islands, man. Smoking deep, man.
There's nobody. Look at this. I'm gonna snap a picture. You want to go stand out there? Okay. Got our tapus. Dan's putting his on. So it's cool. We can use it to pay for anything in here. Huh? Oh, there it is, the volcano.
Look at that. Oh, can you go down that?
That tube up there, do you see it? I'm not doing that.
Concierge. Look for concierge.
Is it not this information booth right here? It's kind of cool. We've never been here, so we like don't know where anything is. This kind of makes it fun. Concierge.
These concierge. Yeah. Where are we?
I think it's over to the right.
The right?
Sort of.
Oh, up there. Oh, right. It should be straight ahead of it.
Towels, rent one for the whole day.
Give me your ticket.
Okay.
Yeah.
What are your thoughts?
Very nice, very clean. Drop slide from the big volcano.
This guy's talking to us.
Nothing to do.
Great drop slide from the very top there, just under the crest, and the tube straight down. Awesome. My favorite water slide of all time, aqua coaster. What's it called? Krakatoa.
Krakatoa. Yeah.
I just went down there.
Yeah, we also had some tacos and nachos.
Yeah, tacos really good. Nachos good.
Nice day, huh?
Oh my gosh, this guy is bugging me. You are bugging me, mister.
They got a fast river and a slow river.
Yeah, I loved them both.
Yeah, they were both great. I mean, usually you get the lazy river at places like this, but they have a one that moves you pretty good. You wear a vest jacket, you know, and it scoots you along. It's real nice.
Yeah. Here, do you want to
Film you?
film me for a second?
I'll let you in.
Okay.
Oh, we're automatic.
We are at Artist Point.
Wilderness Lodge.
Wilderness Lodge. We're going to Artist Point for dinner. We've never been here. This is cool.
Holy heck. That's pretty cool.
Dang. So pretty. Look at those lights. Totem poles. I love totem poles. So that say? Yeah.
It's open.
Okay. I don't know what. This might go out to the pool or something. Are we gonna be able to get back in? We don't know where we're going. I hear water though.
How's the picture?
Looks pretty good. Yeah.
What do we have here?
It says overlook
Which way?
to the right.
Is that, or is this it, Copper Creek? Is the overlook?
No, I think it goes out further. This is cool. They have, remember they have the new Boulder Creek cabins now for DVC. They have those out here.
How much away?
It's kind of similar to, you know, the Polynesian bungalows.
It's a little chilly.
Yeah, it is. And it has Geyser Point. Here's the pool.
Is that a restaurant there, or is that just like kind of hanging out?
Oh, it might be like, I don't know.
Pool bar or something?
Yeah, maybe.
Cave cabin?
Let's go by Geyser Point.
Okay.
Let's try and do that. Look at this.
The Niagara, Multnomah Falls.
Pretty. Geyser Point Bar and Grill.
This is cool. I'd be out here every night.
I know, right? Have drinks.
Ooh, there's a fire there.
Oh, it's over there.
Boulder Ridge too.
Oh, Boulder Ridge, yeah. Let's go this way.
This way?
Water,
Yeah.
but like pretty close up. Maybe after we just look at this, we'll walk up there and maybe we can see them.
Jeez, how much is this though? Can we have this experience?
For just
Is this the place where...
$5,000 a night, you can.
Is this where the tree houses are?
No, that's Saratoga Springs.
It is?
Yeah.
Where the see you here real soon stay?
Oh no, those are at a Fort Wilderness,
Fort Wilderness.
where the campgrounds are.
Okay. And this is...
I don't know what these are. These might be
I think they're just
DVC or they might just be standard rooms. I'm not really sure. What time is it?
7.
That's all? We could probably check in early too, or we could go get a drink.
Oh, they probably have a bar there, right?
Yeah.
I don't know if this is like in the summer. Let's see your menu.
That's not it.
We can look at it.
Yeah. Cool.
Sign up there.
Yeah. It's cool. Geyser Point Bar and Grill.
I want to see what it's like in the summer.
Yeah.
What's that right there?
Ooh.
Do it.
We have a hot tub.
Should've
Nobody's
brought a
in it.
suit.
There's 2 of them. One over here too. Maybe this is the geyser? Does that look like a geyser?
Yeah, it does look like a geyser.
I think it goes off every so often.
If you see that little one, what time is our thing for?
7:30?
7:10. 20 minutes early.
Yeah, let's go check
I'm sure they're
in.
not crushed.
Yeah.
We could say, hey, we want the best table.
Or we could go look at the Territory Lounge.
Up to you.
Well, let's check in.
Okay.
They probably have a bar. I can't remember though.
You what?
I think they probably have a bar.
Oh, right. It's probably this way. Oh.
yeah, that's probably it. So we ordered a bottle of wine. Just a Merlot. We're cheap though.
This isn't cheap.
It's not cheap, but it's one of the...
It's the cheapest they have.
Yeah. It's better than buying 2 glasses of wine each. So it's a better deal. So.
Yeah, way better deal.
Yeah. And they brought us bread. And this butter with like sea salt on it.
Yeah, I like that a lot.
And we ordered our cheese plate.
Tis my cheese plate.
It's nice. This is the dining room. I like these lights. They're like artsman, craftsman sort of style. I have a view, I don't know if you'll be able to see out here, but a view of like the, I guess it's the playground, but we were walking right out there earlier. Alright, this is our cheese plate.
We just took a picture.
We took a
Insert
picture.
here.
Yeah, of the cheeses on here, but this is what it looks like. I know that's blue cheese, that's about it. But
Yeah.
it's all pretty good. Honeycomb, some sort of jelly. Like, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different types of cheese. So, it's good. It's fun.
It's fun.
Never met a cheese I didn't like. Smoked mushroom bisque soup.
That's really yummy. Oh my god. That's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the best part so far.
They hopefully, he said he was going to split it because we just wanted to share it, and he said he would split it for us. So we're hoping that he did and didn't bring us 2 bowls, but I'm looking forward to this. All right, Dan got the what'd you
Buffalo
get?
loin strip steak.
Okay.
Buffalo loin strip steak.
And his side is the mac and cheese.
My mac and cheese.
Brussels sprouts, which smelled amazing when you set them down. I think that's actually what smelled the best. I'm not sure, maybe. And I got the filet.
Yeah, filet mignon.
We're gonna taste this. Let you know how it is after we're done. Characters. So we've got Mickey, Goofy, Donald, our favorite little guy. He's looking angry, and this bear. I don't know who this bear is. That's cute. Tell us about your
Experience? What?
steak. How was it?
Buffalo loin. It was cooked well. I mean, it's no ribeye. Let's just say that. So they only offered a double ribeye
For two.
and we just didn't want to kind of pay that kind of money. So we went with a couple different things, and again, I think whenever we do that, we're always a little bit disappointed.
Yeah.
Am I safe to say that?
Yeah. Yeah.
Ribeyes are just so good. But having said that, it was cooked very well. It was a little rarer than I wanted. I asked for medium. It was just a little bit rarer.
Came with a sauce that you didn't really
Yeah, the sauce was overpowering.
need or want.
If you use the sauce, it just completely overpowered. It was like a steak sauce, but I'm not exactly sure what was in it. The cheese plate was bland.
Yeah.
Everything was mild.
Maybe I'll do
And we
this.
come from a part of the country that is just, we're cheese connoisseurs up there. So the cheese was a little disappointing.
Yeah.
What stole the show was, why do I look like my face already? The lobster, I mean not lobster, the mushroom, smoked mushroom bisque.
Yeah, that was good.
It's probably the best soup I ever had in my life, and it's simple, incredibly flavored. I think I enjoyed it more than I had to do it, but
I enjoyed it. I just didn't want to fill up on it before my steak. I was already kind of feeling kind of full, and so I only ate like half of it because I didn't want to so he ate it. But I ordered the filet mignon, and it was good. It was cooked a little too much for me, so it was like the opposite problem from him. It was still tasty if you like kind of dipped it in the butter sauce that was on the plate. It was really good, and like the thicker portion was good. It was just like on the side that was thinner, it was cooked a little too much for me, and I was so full from everything else. I was just really full, but we have leftovers for breakfast. Oh, and I got the Brussels sprouts for my side. I don't know if you talked about the mac and cheese, but I got the Brussels sprouts. They were good. They tasted actually exactly like the Brussels sprouts that I make
She makes
at
better
home.
ones. She makes better, way better.
So,
Actually.
and he got the mac and cheese as his side.
And it was bland. I mean, it wasn't really cheesy. There was no spice to it.
Yeah.
I give this place a 7 out of 10.
Yeah.
Maybe
I mean,
even 6.5.
I would definitely try other things, and you know, before I would come back here again. Yeah.
We'll see how the Yachtsman is.
Yeah, we're going to Yachtsman on Wednesday night? Wednesday night.
tomorrow.
Sitting here waiting for a lift outside. The resort was amazing, the overall resort. So that was cool to see.
Yeah, this place is beautiful.
Yeah.
I would love to see it in the daytime.
Yeah.
But from what we could see at night, just stunning. Couldn't imagine. At these cabins, it's like another world.
Yeah.
It's like you gotta walk out back and down a little bit. It's like you're in the Shire, in a way, you know.
Yeah, it was really nice.